The function f is such that r to r is a square function, fx equals to x square, right? This is a square function. We have to find out local inverse at c is equals to 2, right? With the open interval u is equals to 1 comma 3. That is, the main is that u is equals to this, right? It is u and c is equals to 2, right? It is 1 comma 3 and v is equals to 1 comma 9. Then the function f is defined from restricted to f. If f is restricted to u, that means that f restricted to u, that means that it is from 1 comma 3 to 1 comma 9, and 2 is the point in between 1 comma 3, right? 1 comma 3, then 2 is the point is in between 1 comma 3. So if there exists a restriction, then the function, and we know that the local inverse exists, so f restricted to this domain has inverse y is equals to root y, as y is equals to x square, then the inverse of this inverse is root of y, which is equals to x, right? So it is the inverse. And when we take the local inverse at the point -2, it is plus minus, thus it is plus minus. So if we take the local inverse at the point -2, that is u, f restricted to u inverse of y is equals to minus of root y, right? This is minus of root y, this is true. So it is a local inverse around the open interval, but the open interval, it is changed. This is changed from -3 comma -1, because if we goes x square for positive, then 1 to 3. If it is goes to negative, then it is -1 to -3, right? -3 to -1. In between c is equals to -2, right? And local inverse exists when the function is 1 1 onto on this neighborhood, right? Local inverse exists open into neighborhood v of fc onto an open neighborhood u of c. We want f restricted to u in whole inverse of y to be close to c when y is close to f of c, right? Thus 1 1 map onto map exists g such that 1 comma 9 to -2 comma -1 union of 2 comma 3. What is that? This is 1 comma 9. Then it should be greater value, right? And this define is this: it is not a local inverse of f at c is equals to 2.